Welcome to day 7 of our 90-day home workout series. If this is your first time visiting the Trongyan Workout channel, this is a 90-day home workout video series designed for beginners. You can start anywhere, and you don't need any equipment. If the intensity of this workout video is too much for you, please choose another video that suits your fitness level. Today is all about upper body, so let's get started. Greetings, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of negative push-ups, an exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. While standard push-ups involve both the lowering and pushing phases, negative push-ups focus on the challenging lowering phase. This exercise is an excellent way to build upper body strength and prepare for full push-ups. Before we get started, ensure you have a clear space and a stable surface like a floor or exercise mat. Step 1. Assume the push-up position. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and glutes to maintain a stable posture. Step 2. Initiate the lowering phase. Slowly lower your chest towards the ground, aiming for a controlled descent of 3 to 5 seconds. Keep your elbows tucked in close to your body, maintaining a 45-degree angle between your upper arms and torso. Breathe out as you lower your body. Step 3. Transition to a push-up. Once your chest almost touches the ground, pause briefly. Instead of pushing back up, use your legs to kick back up to the starting position. We're taking your push-ups to the next level with the incline push-up, an exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. By modifying the standard push-up with an incline, you can work on your upper body strength in a more manageable way. Before we get started, ensure you have a stable incline like a bench, chair, or sturdy step. Step 1. Position yourself. Stand facing your incline and place your hands shoulder-width apart on the surface. Step back until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and glutes to maintain a stable posture. Step 2. Initiate the push-up. Lower your chest towards the incline, aiming for a controlled descent of 3 to 5 seconds. Keep your elbows tucked in close to your body, maintaining a 45-degree angle between your upper arms and torso. Breathe out as you lower your body. Step 3. Push back up. Push yourself back up to the starting position, extending your arms fully. Maintain a straight line from head to heels throughout the movement. Breathe in as you push back up. Step 4. Repeat and progress. Perform 5 sets of 5 to 10 repetitions. As you get stronger, gradually lower the incline to increase the challenge.